6 in the morning. 200 people walk into your plant that nobody planned for. The canteen finds out at lunch. Their manpower plan never reached transport tooling or security. It wasn't hidden. It just arrived too late to matter. 3% mismatch every day. Wasted meals, half-empty buses, late line starts. In a 5,000-person plant, 60 lakh a year. MIRA's Readiness agent runs at 4 every afternoon. It reads every department's plan against the last 6 similar days. Department B hasn't submitted. Expect 190 to 215. Canteen booked for 160. MIRA recommends 205. Mina approves. Nothing moves without her. Every leak has an owner. Book your demo at facilityflow.app or email info@techsyria.com.